Hi guys, my name is Tammy Meeks and I am from Topeka, Kansas. I saw a few familiar names in the class, so I'm excited to be in class with some new and old classmates. A little bit about myself. I was born and raised in Kansas. I traveled around. I did some agency nursing in California early on in my career. The majority of my career, I was an emergency room nurse and a flight nurse. So I did flight nursing for about 25 years before I took my current position, which is as a nurse manager of a 16-bed ICU and an 8-bed progressive care unit. A little bit about my personal life. I am married. I have two children. One is in her third year of law school, and my son is almost 21 and he has just started nursing school here in Topeka. So, going back to my current position as a nurse manager, I enrolled in this program so that I could be a better nurse manager and I want to be able to make my staff successful and help them be able to take great care of our patients. And as I've gone through these courses, I've realized that statistics is a really big part of research and data analysis and looking into evidence-based practice. So I'm really looking forward to this course because I think that I need to learn a lot more about this. I'm also not the best at Excel spreadsheets and numbers, figures, so I feel like this is going to be a challenging course for me, but it's also going to be very good for me in my current position. I like to promote professional growth within the staff in my departments, and I feel like I need to be a role model and be able to teach them how to maybe look at quality data and statistics in regards to research and evidence-based practice. So anyways, looking forward to working with all of you guys, and good luck with the semester.